Hi everybody, Sandy here, Kentucky Crafter. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I hope you subscribe. Today I am doing a unboxing of this crafting ideas toolkit I got from this company, Gotega, and it's off of Amazon. So let's jump into it. Alright, let's open it up. So they contacted me and asked if they could send me a box, and I checked them out and I thought, sure, I'll check them out. Oh wow. Okay. It's very neatly packaged. I really like the box that it came in. Let's see what we have here. Looks like we have some markers. Ooh, some pens. I get something to write on here. Well, yellow on blue doesn't show up very well. Let's try a pink color. Ooh, nice fine point. Okay, to check those out. A lot of markers, a lot of colors. You can see all the colors here. Nice. Alright, and then it looks like a little kit. You get a scraper and some scissors. Cut this real quick. I want to do a shout out. Rachel, I saw your note. I'm glad you got the plan. So, hope you enjoyed using it. Okay, alright, so this is nice. Very similar to the Cricut kit. Got the little pokey tool. Comes with a little plastic cover so you don't poke yourself, which is good. And the scraper and the reverse tweezers. Those are really nice. I use those quite a bit. And this little scraper. Some scissors. And then, what is this one here? Oh, just a nice sharp, almost like an awl, if you will. Nice sharp pokey tool. Very nice. And they feel like really good quality. Very nice. I will link their Amazon store down in the description box below. All right, let's see what else we got in here. So this first thing, oh, this shows you what all comes in it. Okay, great. So they're the 0.4 millimeter colored pens. Okay, good. So you get 5 heat transfer vinyl sheets. Nice. 20 adhesive vinyl sheets. 3 transfer tapes. And 5 transparent printing films. Okay, nice. And then you get a 12 by 12 sticky mat. And then the cutting. And then, oh, it kind of gives you some directions on how to make a couple different projects. Yeah, Gotega team. They are a fairly new company. So these are the transfer sheets. So I don't know if these are acetate or if they're stickers. Sticker sheets. Let me pull one out. Yeah, I would consider this an acetate. You can probably print on it and then cut it and have the Cricut cut it out, and then you could adhere it to something. I would probably use these for stencils, and I'll have to give that a try, see how it does, making stencils. Okay, so next was the heat transfer sheets, and oh, look at that. Some glitter. Ooh, I love glitter iron-on. Let's take a look at these. Oh, look how pretty that is. And when you use iron-on, you put it down on the mat, shiny side down. And then you cut, it'll cut on this side. So, it's just for you to know. That's really pretty. Oh, and this blue, wow. Love that. That's gorgeous. And the green. Wow, these are really pretty. And the silver. And the gold. Awesome. I really like those. Those are really nice. And then here are the transfer sheets. Now, I have only used Cricut brand transfer sheets, so it'll be interesting to compare how these work compared to the Cricut brand. It has a little grid on it. Just pretty much your standard sheet, so I think that's good. And then here are, what was it, 20 sheets of vinyl? Yeah, 20 sheets of vinyl. I feel like this is a really nice starter set for someone. Okay, oh, these are really pretty. I like that. So these are adhesive vinyl, so not iron-on. I love that rose color. How pretty. And red, you can always use red, and that's a really pretty red. It's brown. Looks like you get all your basic colors. Blue, and a gray, and a pink, and a green, and a, what is that, a fuchsia? And an orange. Oh, I'm thinking of some fun projects to make for my granddaughter and my new granddaughter on the way. That's a pretty pink. Kind of a lime green. Get some neon colors going. Fun. Yellow. And black is good. So 2 of black, which is nice. And then 2 of the white. Very nice. And standard grip mat. Looks just like the Cricut one, but it's not the Cricut one. All right, I'm pretty pleased with this. I think they did a nice job on this starter kit. So I am going to think of a project to make, and I will be right back. I wanted to mention the price of this kit. So on Amazon, it's $49.99 for everything that you saw. But there's a coupon right now for 30% off, which brings it down to $34.99. And when you go to the item, you'll see a coupon at the very top, and you just check that box, and then it'll apply the coupon at your checkout when you go to checkout from Amazon. I don't know how long that coupon will last, but just wanted to make sure you're aware of that. I am back. I've decided on the project I'm going to make. I am going to use this green glitter iron-on, and I am going to make a St. Patrick's Day pillow. So I have this canvas pillowcase cover in my stash. It has this zipper on the back, and I'm pretty sure I probably got this at Hobby Lobby. I don't have the tag anymore. And the measurements, let's measure this really quickly. It is 16 by 15 and a half. So maybe it's 15. Yeah, 15 and a half by 15 and a half. And so the size of their vinyl or their iron-on is 10 by 12. So I'm going to pretty much use up this whole piece and make a St. Patrick's Day pillow. And I am going to use the green glitter iron-on, or HTV, and I am going to make this home design to put on the pillow. And I have made sure this is about 9.5 by 11.2 width and height, so this should cut out perfectly on my iron-on. And you want to make sure that you attach it, because I want it to cut just like this, so it'll be easier for me to iron it on. It'll be all lined up. So then I am going to hit the make it button. And then I am going to do it on a mat. And the thing to remember is this is iron-on, so you want to mirror it. And so you can see it fits perfectly on my mat. So I am going to get the vinyl on the mat and cut this out. So I'm going to use the standard grip mat that they provided. I've taken it out of the packaging, and it does come with the cover protective sheet, so that is good. So let me get the iron-on here. The mat has a really nice stickiness to it, and this HTV went down perfectly.
Alright, I selected glitter iron-on, and I actually also selected more pressure. Load this in.
I am going to try out their little pokey tool and see how that does with weeding. And I like to weed on the mat. Gives me an extra hand to hold things. Alright, it's weeding pretty good. And this has a nice little poke to it. So the glitter iron-on, it weeded very nicely. And then I am going to put it on here. I'm heating up my Easy Press 2, 270 degrees, and I'm going to press it for 30 seconds. I am going to get some of the wrinkles out of this first. So I'm going to let that heat up. And I want to get this centered as best I can. So my design is just about the same size as my mat down here. So that's perfect. Then I want to make sure I have this centered pretty decently here. That's, well, from the H, we're at about 3. And then from the shamrock, we're at about 3. It's a little under 3. That's a little over 3. And I think that's just the way the spacing of my E. The shamrock sticks out a little bit further, so I think that's going to be okay. And height-wise, I'm at about 2 1/4, and here I'm about 2 1/4. So I think that's pretty good. And then my zipper, I think I should be good there. Shouldn't be interfering with the zipper. Perfect. So I can just remember where that was. I am gonna de-wrinkle this a little bit. still looks good. And then parchment paper. And I will have to do it sections at a time. It said light pressure. And I need to get this rest of the shamrock over here. And I want to get this edge over here, part of the M. I think I got the E pretty good, but I'll check it here in a minute. And then to flip it over, do it for 15 seconds on this side. And then it says to let it cool before you peel it. Let it cool a little bit. I'm going to peel it back. Oh, wow. Okay, so far so good. Oh, that is just gorgeous. Wow. I love how that came out. Let's see if I can get the glitter to show up better for you all. There we go. See that glitter? That is really pretty. All right, so I'm going to make some other videos with the vinyl and with the markers, but I'll stop this one for now. And feel free to check them out if you're looking for some new Cricut supplies. So far, I've been pretty pleased with the Cricut mat and this glitter iron-on, and the tools seem to be working just fine. All right, well, thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you all on the next video. Bye for now.